Hi, everybody. Hope you had a great day today. Wow. It was, 63 yesterday. I know we at least made it up to 60, 61 out there today in Portland. Hope you enjoyed. I took the day off. It was so fabulous. Meteorologist Rod Hill coming to you from the Portland, Oregon, Vancouver, Washington area. And my focus starts this weekend, but really gets into next Sunday or this coming Sunday afternoon, night, into Monday, into Tuesday, into Wednesday, a very wet stretch of typical November weather that I'm tracking. So, what I've done here is show you the American GFS model, and I just want to show you some snapshots to give you the flavor of the number of weather systems coming in. So, we get some showers developing during the day on Saturday, but the first front that actually holds together and moves in is right here early Monday morning. And just follow the contours on the surface isobars. This is about 5 a.m. Monday morning. There's the front. There are showers with the trailing low still coming in from the west. Then the next system up. Tuesday afternoon. Notice this small low and notice the red. These are thickness lines, which is a measurement of density of an air mass, but they're helpful to determine cold batches of air and warm sectors of air. So right here, where you follow my mouse, and then you see the red line. This is a warm front. Warm fronts, remember, bring in widespread steady rain. So this develops during the day Tuesday. It's raining widespread across the area all of Tuesday night. The front takes its time to come in eventually at some point during the day on Wednesday. Now, this is the same low, and this is about noon, and you can see the front is kind of holding off. See how we're still in the warm sector right here? So if this is the case, steady widespread rain starts Tuesday afternoon, continues all of Tuesday night, and may continue much of Wednesday. Now, eventually this will kick through, and Thursday, Friday look to be quite a bit calmer next week. We will be getting some wind with some of this as well. So here's my rain wind outlook. So I still think we're dry tonight. We're dry Saturday morning, which is what I've been saying. We start the chance of showers tomorrow afternoon, maybe around 3 o'clock. Really, what we're looking at is very late afternoon into evening showers, a little cluster of showers that comes through. It breaks up overnight, and then we just have some scattered showers around. You wake up Sunday morning. So, all total, what comes in Saturday PM, Saturday night into Sunday morning, may or may not be 2/10 of an inch of rain. I probably should have put 0.05 to 0.20 here. Kind of typical southeast to south winds to 15. Okay, so again, all dry Saturday morning, all dry into somewhere around 2 or 3 o'clock Saturday afternoon for the valleys, the first chance of rain tomorrow. And then rain picks up Sunday afternoon. It's tough to pinpoint exactly when. I'm kind of looking back at my notes here. But at some point Sunday afternoon, and maybe it's not until like 3 or 4, but at some point Sunday afternoon, rain picks up ahead of that first front. And then it's maybe not completely steady rain, but a pretty rainy Sunday overnight into Monday morning. And then behind that front, that breaks into showers. That's a half of an inch to 3/4. And especially Sunday night, there could be southwest wind gust at the coast reach 40 miles per hour. And we'll definitely at least notice winds Sunday night into Monday morning here in the valley of like 10 to 20, 25. Okay. And then we've got scattered showers Monday afternoon, Monday night, Tuesday morning, and then Tuesday PM, the biggest batch of rain of the week picks up, becomes widespread into Tuesday night. It's still raining through much of Wednesday. This looks to be a 24-hour amount in the valley of an inch. Could be more like 2 inches at the coast. Tuesday overnight into Wednesday morning, there could be 55-mile-per-hour wind gust at the coast, maybe 60. And this could prompt a high wind warning from the Weather Service. And then Thursday, Friday, we're all done with it. And it's just kind of sun and scattered showers and more typical weather. So you put it all together for the valley, well over an inch of rain looks to be a slam dunk. And maybe we go over 2 inches during that time frame. So I'm just trying to show you the timing, and the timing will change, absolutely. But all the low intervals that I'm watching, cold fronts, warm fronts, periods of gusty winds, all that coming starting Sunday through next Wednesday. All right, the Momentous Wealth Podcast. Listen on Apple Podcasts, listen on Spotify. By the way, if you have a 401k or you have a Roth IRA, have you seen what the market's been doing lately? Wow. I mean, chances are your funds are like mine. They're really up. Anyway, you will find a number of investment topics to listen to and hopefully gain some wisdom. The Momentous Wealth Podcast, Apple Podcasts, and on Spotify. Thank you for sponsoring my weather forecast. All right, grabbed this just a little bit ago to show the increasing clouds that we've had. This is my 18 property live camera network. I'm really proud of this. It takes a lot of work to keep all this going. But the clouds are kind of mid to high level. I mean, and they do extend over into Central Oregon. They're the Three Sisters. Again, all dry tonight, all dry tomorrow morning. Radar's picking rain up offshore. But even at the coast, it's probably close to noon before any raindrops start to fall tomorrow. It'll be later in that into the valley. This first front really kind of falls apart. The main engine here is this low, which stays to our south. Here's the water vapor imagery. You can see that low that's off the coast of California is clearly to our south. Here it is. But you can see we're getting into the thicker moisture. Here's the trough, which is out in the Pacific. This trough line approaches tomorrow and it fuels the increasing showers in the afternoon into the night. But again, the front itself doesn't really come through until early Monday morning. And you can see this first batch of cloudiness brings us some showers eventually, but just kind of falls apart. Here's the front way back here that holds together and comes in Monday morning. Interesting, this is picking up some lightning offshore near the low. Right now, stability indicators do not show lightning for us Monday, but something that I'll continue to watch. Here's the National Blended Model Future Radar product. This is this afternoon at 4 p.m. We're all dry, obviously. Here is tomorrow. So this would be about 10 o'clock in the morning tomorrow, showing showers up around Astoria and up into Long Beach, but we're still very dry. Shows showers by noon hitting Seattle, but all dry in Oregon, inland areas until, pardon me. Here we are Saturday at 4 p.m. Now the rain chance is starting to move toward Portland. It's raining up in Seattle. It's been raining along the North Coast. I imagine this is going to be more scattered than what this is indicating. This looks like a steady batch of rain. I think it's going to be more of a scattered clump of showers moving through Thursday evening. And then we get into early Sunday morning and it's pretty quiet until rains pick up Sunday afternoon. Here's the American GFS. This is the 500 millibar. And the red and yellow colors are what's called positive vorticity, but they actually can highlight the main energy fields of where the fronts are and when the rain is really starting to pick up. So let me just play this into Saturday afternoon. Here we are tomorrow afternoon at 4 p.m. No surface front, but there's the trough nearing the shore, and that's going to increase scattered showers going into the evening as that trough moves in. Now, here's Sunday afternoon. Now we're getting into cloudiness, deeper cloudiness, and increasing showers ahead of this big low. This is that first strong front that comes in Monday morning. So let's go ahead and play this into Monday morning at 5 a.m. Here we are. See the red vorticity? This is actually pretty close to where the front is, coming inland about 5 in the morning on Monday. And then notice during the day Monday, even though the front comes in the morning, we still have a pretty good fetch of westerly flow and energy aloft and moisture fields that will continue giving us scattered showers Monday afternoon, Monday night into Tuesday morning. Now, the strongest system starts to pick up rain Tuesday afternoon with gusty winds. Here's that Nick system way back here. And see where there's like a little ridging right here. This is actually the warm bubble, and this is moisture that will be coming in Tuesday afternoon, widespread steady rain Wednesday morning. Here we are. And here is the front, maybe coming through. This would be what would this would well, this would be in the evening hours of Wednesday. This would show the front coming in. So if that's the case, it's steady rain all Tuesday night and steady rain much of Wednesday during the day. That would definitely fuel the possibilities of us getting well over an inch of rain. And then we're in the trough, but no surface features on Thursday. There's a low passing to the north that would keep scattered showers live on Friday. This shows there's a ridge started offshore, a strong one. So we'll see what that means for the upcoming weekend. I do want to show you winds real quick. This is tomorrow. This is Sunday, pardon me, Sunday afternoon at 4 p.m. Notice in green, 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts starting to near the coast and 25-mile-per-hour winds from the south-southwest in the valley. Again, that's Sunday afternoon. And then that front comes in Monday morning. So here it is early Monday morning. 40 to 50 mile per hour winds along the Oregon coast, some 30, 35 mile per hour wind gusts in the valley. Okay. Um, and then all of that should quiet down somewhat until it starts to pick up Tuesday. Now let me play this into Wednesday more. Here's Wednesday morning. 50, 57 mile per hour wind gust near the coast, 36, 37 mile per hour wind gust in the valley. And then that front comes in. Remember, Wednesday evening, here's Wednesday at 5 p.m. 50 mile per hour winds along the coast, 60 mile per hour gusts just offshore, 30 to 40 mile per hour wind gusts in the valley. So, yeah, you get the idea that we've definitely got some wind and some rain periods coming up. Nothing extreme, but enough to really catch your attention. Let's go around the horn real quick. Medford, all dry on Saturday. Slight chance of some showers on Sunday. Veterans Day, Monday, rain expected. And then a rainy week is going to be widespread across the state. Okay. Central Oregon, dry on Saturday. Probably dry over there on Sunday as well. But Veterans Day rain kicks in and then a rainy pattern. Notice daytime highs about 50 for most of the days. So no concerns there. Now, Seattle definitely rain on Sunday, developing rain tomorrow, rain on Sunday, and then just rainy throughout. Okay. Let's go down to North Bend. Chance of, this shows developing rain tomorrow and then Sunday, and then just a rainy pattern along the coast with temperatures in the 50s. There's that rain and wind on Wednesday showing up. Okay. Let's go Salem. Rain later in the day on Saturday, rain at times Sunday, especially in the afternoon, and then there you go. Okay, so you get the idea. We're really heading into a wet stretch. Hazeldale Tire Pros, my 7-day forecast tomorrow. Dry through maybe 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon before raindrops show up in Portland. It's a likely showers Saturday evening overnight. Scattered showers Sunday morning, may not be much. But then eventually in the afternoon, rain picks up. It's a rainy Sunday night and a Monday. We'll get some breezy, noticeable winds. And then we get the biggest push of rain developing during the day Tuesday, widespread steady rain Tuesday night and Wednesday. Gusty winds could hit 40 miles per hour in the valley, and then just more typical calmer winds and sun and scattered showers to wrap it up. So lots for me to keep you updated on. I'll get more into snow levels when I talk to you next time, but I will tell you right now, snow levels stay above Cascade passes until that Monday morning front comes in. And then after most of that moisture is over, snow levels fall down between 3,000 and 4,000 feet for snow showers Monday afternoon into Tuesday morning. And then Tuesday night, they go back up. But there certainly will be some inches of accumulating snow Monday night, Tuesday daytime in the Cascade passes before snow levels jump to 6,000 or higher Tuesday night. More on that the next time I talk to you. Have a good Saturday. I'm meteorologist Rod Hill. Thanks for watching.